wonder if somebody's in today. Let's see if they're in. Don't think anybody's in today. Or sleeping. Hi. I haven't been out for quite some time now, basically because physically I've been unable to even walk to the local shop a couple hundred yards. It was too painful. So I've been out walking a little bit in the village. This is my first longish walk, it's about 6 miles, just Loch Kernsary. Tech talk. I've actually got my DJI Mini 4 Pro is gone to someone else. I've ordered the DJI Mini 5 Pro, primarily because of 1-inch CMOS sensor and a few upgrades in the drone itself. So that's not quite left China yet, but it's looking as though it's coming reasonably soon, whatever that means. The other thing is, there's a lot of chit chat on the lines YouTube regarding the iPhone 17, and I'm a tech, it's a disease with me, but the more I think about the 17, I've got a 48 megapixel camera on the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which gives me printable up to A2 size photographs with fairly good quality that looks a great picture. So I'm not sure what I'm doing next year regarding that. I might go for the 17 Pro, but not the Max. I don't really need the Max anymore because I've got other equipment for doing video. The other thing is, there's a lot of talk about I don't know if you hear, there's a buzzard squawking away in the background there. Can't see it yet. There's a lot of talk on adding memory to your phone, your iPhone particularly, in order to capture various videos and pictures and things. Well, if this works out and I put on a video, I'll say the name of the company, but I'll also put it on the screen so you can see it, and I'll put it on the comments below me underneath here, which you can get usually on the phone or the tablet or the iPad, whatever. And that's the IRE 5. They've been out for a couple of years now. They produce a case which is super strong for my iPhone 14 Pro Max. That's as low as they go, I think. They're currently working on one for the 17. And what that does, it allows you to add a micro SD card, memory card, to the case. And at the time when I bought mine, it goes up to 1 terabyte. Perhaps the new cases will come out to 2 terabytes, I don't know, but anyway, 1 terabyte. That's sufficient to get most people out there. With the iPhone 14 Pro Max, it's not 100% great at, if you do a video on the 16s and above for the iPhone, it automatically will go to the card on the back of the case. But with the 14 Pro Max it doesn't, but that doesn't bother me. I can take photographs, videos, and then I can slice them across on the phone to my SD card, which is a 512 gigabyte one. And it's perfect, and it's not mega expensive, and it's a durable case for the phone. So anyway, also I have been using the Fujifilm X-T5, which I loved. The quality of images out that are phenomenal, but the weather in Scotland, funnily enough, is quite damp at sometimes, so that prevented me from going out a lot of times. I didn't get my camera out just because of water ingress possibilities. Change my camera, I met a friend of mine at the head of Loch U in Pool U about 2 weeks ago now, just chatting away, and he had the OM1 Mark II in his hand, and that inspired me. Plus, if you look it up on YouTube or on Google, you can see that it's quite a camera. It's a 4/3 sensor. It's a 20 megapixel sensor. You think, oh my god, that's terrible. No, it's not. Well, there's loads of, you can look up YouTube yourself. Sorry, this was an impromptu walk this morning, so I've not even got my mobile phone, I've not got my microphone or anything, so this wind is probably breaking up my speech, but whatever it is. So I've done a lot of changes since my immobility, a lot of thought processes. With the DJI Mini 5 Pro, and I understand the Mini 4 Pro as well now has it, you've got free panos. I'm really looking forward to that, because I love my panos using my camera. And on this video you'll see at the end there's a couple of photographs. I've taken one of pano of the trees at Loch Kernsary just to see how that works out. No, I love my OM1 Mark II, and I've been in touch with a few guys on YouTube who have had it for over a year now, particularly for wildlife photography. And the sensor size and the smaller camera means the lenses are smaller, so the depth of field is double what the lens says. I won't go into it all because it's all there on YouTube. There's more experts out there than I am, but I'm happy to chat about it if somebody wants to chat about it, and the drones. But anyway, so I'm just sitting in Loch Kernsary here, which I'll let you see there. Loch Kernsary there, and that's where I'm stopping. I was going to get off Loch, which is along this path and way at the top, but I'm getting lazy. I have got a walk planned, which is Col Mall, which is the one that when I did Stack Poly, you can see it on the right of the video and of the photographs, not the immediate right, the back right. And also when I did Sylvan, you could see it from the photographs and video from Sylvan, and I didn't think it was a track, but there is, so that's my next planned walk. I do plan to do more walks, hence all the kit and my photography. And yeah, also check out my I'm on my website, which I'll put the name on the screen. It's also on my comments below here as well. Alright, so anyway, this is just a short thing to say that I am alive and kicking and looking forward to doing stuff out here. Alright, bye now.